So what's your name?
I'm Kai. K-A-I.
Today is 2022 January 28th. Really nice to meeting you here. My name is Z.
You know how much I paid for this car? $150.
I want to take video of you.
Don't forget to video record that. Put that on your TikTok. Oh, Hubbard.
Very cool. Okay. So cool.
Hey.
It's so quiet.
Hey! Hey! Stop! Just leave her alone, okay?
You know, it's so funny.
Just stop! Faster than I look, huh?
Yeah, little dog is so funny.
How y'all doing today?
Bobby, you better be twins. How are you?
Great.
Well, it looks like Little was trying to make a good day
Did you
too.
say if he was any better, you'd be doing twins?
I'd be twins.
I'm here 5 months out of the year. 5 months total. October to March. Well, not right here. This is just my car where I park my car. I was freezing for a picture.
Wow.
I thought we were taking a picture.
You don't want recording?
No, recording is fine. I just freezing was
My name is Z.
33Z.
No, I'm 54. Okay?
33. Don't lie.
I'm 54.
Take that fake ID somewhere else.
I'm 54, okay? Not 30. I'm 54, okay?
Favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Here, watch this. And pick one more color. Purple and...
Purple and red. It's my lucky color.
Lucky.
Yes.
And what's your lucky name?
Z.
Z-I?
Yes.
Got it. And they got a bird.
What are you doing, Kai?
I am making you a talisman.
Okay. Where are you come from?
I was born in Hawaii.
How long have you been in Arizona?
I come here every year. My family moved to New Mexico when I was 3. So what happened? Your friend ran away. Was she afraid to have coronavirus or something?
Are you afraid of COVID-19?
No. But your friend, she took off and ran away.
I'm my friend. We just know each other here.
Oh, okay. Like, peace, I'm out. I'm out of here.
Yeah. Are you always living in a car?
No, it's like a 2012 Holiday Rambler. Really nice.
Right
Years
now.
ago, somebody spent like 60 grand on it, you know?
So where's your RV right now?
Right now it's parked in the back over here. Well, no, there's 2 weeks out of the year that there's like just vending, so I gotta move it out. Come Monday, I move my RV back into the spot.
Do you have a family here?
Yeah, Tyrion, Arya, and Khaleesi.
Who is Tyrion?
Dirty little imp.
Tyrion?
Yeah, I just call him, say, dirty little imp.
What about Big One?
See? Dirty little imp.
Yeah. He's a good boy.
Yeah, she's a good girl. She's in heat. You know, she's bleeding. Blood.
Kai, what's here?
She's in here.
It's a bird?
She's working on a walnut right now. I gave her a walnut, and it takes her all day to open it up.
What do you do for a living?
I am an artist. Now check it out. Tyson
Okay.
Wells, 2022, Arizona. It's my signature right there.
Okay.
Miss Z. Check it out.
Okay. Wow. Very nice. I have a gift for you tip, okay? Wow, so cool.
I said that's adorable. You have pink masks.
Very nice. Look at you. Ah, okay.
Yes, you're adorable. I would have given that to you for free.
No, no free. I give you $6. You need money. $2 more for you, okay?
You're too cute. Stop it. I thought you were going to take me with you to Phoenix. I was excited about that. Me, the doggy, the bird.
Have you ever been to Phoenix?
Yeah, I hate Phoenix. Phoenix is a nightmare.
You don't like Phoenix?
I'm not a big fan. There's nowhere cool to do art, really. Like, everywhere there's just like drug addicts everywhere. It's just not really my style. Like, really like artsy places. I like where there's lots of tourists and stuff. And then Quartzsite's like my home in the winter. I come here in winter and I just chill out. And then in the summer I travel. Yeah, so that's just what I do.
Do you have any dream? What is your dream?
Oh, eventually I'll have an animal sanctuary, and it'll probably be in Texas. Get a big stretch of property in southern Texas, and then have an animal sanctuary. Hey! For exotic animals! Yeah! Because you have to! Stop being a poodle!
This is so cute.
You cannot be a poodle!
So
Let me
cute.
start acting more like a human! Because I said so!
Hey, why he yelling you?
He's telling me to tell Arya to get up because he wants to hump her and get her pregnant. That's what he's actually saying.
No
She's
wonder.
in heat, like she's bleeding. She has blood.
I know.
The little one is a boy.
Kai, how old are you?
I'm 30.
Like my daughter age.
I'm 40.
Come
Be
on.
closer to your age. No, I'm actually 40.
Come on. You told me you're 30.
I know because I wanted to be that cute young guy for you.
Very funny. So what is this guy doing? Little one.
She's just doing little birdie things. I don't know if she wants to come out.
Let
Come
her.
out and say hi.
No,
Hi, Snuggle the bird. Oh, you're so pretty, huh? Come on. Yeah. Hi. This is the time of day where she goes in. She says, I don't want to be disturbed.
Thank you so much, okay?
You're going to be here tomorrow?
I think about now I going to the finish or I just stay overnight.
You should stay overnight because if you don't come tomorrow, we'll miss you and we'll be sad.
Dude,
It's okay
dude.
for us to be sad. What if she's really sad that you don't come back? That's okay that she gets sad?
After the show, where you going?
No, I don't live in my car. You said that 4 times. I just travel in this car. It's broke down. I'm giving it away. Where, you want it?
No, thank you.
I'm waiting for my friend to bring me a van I just bought.
Where you gonna go?
Key West. Are you driving?
Yeah.
It's to Key West.
Okay.
So the reason why I usually want a girlfriend is so I don't have to have a cell phone anymore, right? Because like
Yeah.
if I have a girlfriend, then I can just tell her to look at the phone, to look something up, to this or that, to call someone, and I never have to touch a phone because I hate phones. But I have a phone now.
What is your biggest dream in your life?
Biggest dream in the world, animal sanctuary.
Animal sanctuary?
My goal. She agrees. She
So
says,
you,
oh,
so you love all animals.
yeah, we love all animals, huh? Sloth.
Are you almost there?
One of these days. I got an RV.
Okay.
Like that guy right there. I have one like that.
Huh?
So mine looks like that one over there.
Oh, okay. I like this cool picture. Very cool, see?